The political reactions also continue to come in the latest. Amit Malviya of the BJP has tweeted, and I quote, if the learned judge at the Rouse Avenue trial court has not had the time to go through thousands of pages of documents. In fact, Swati is joining us with that tweet from Amit Malviya. Yes, Swati.
Right. So, Pratibha, earlier we showed you Sanjay Singh's post where he is highlighting the portion of the judgment where he talk about probe being an art and the arguments that came in and the observation from the judge. BJP here is highlighting the portion that was cited by ASG in the Delhi High Court about not being able to go through documents. And this is what Amit Malviya says, and I quote, if the learned judge at the Rouse Avenue trial court not have the time to go through thousands of pages of documents, then what was the hurry to grant bail to Arvind Kejriwal? We can't normalize corruption in high public offices by letting off criminals like Kejriwal. And this is the portion that Amit Malviya is highlighting. Point number 16, where it says, admittedly, the present matter is a peculiar case wherein various accused, witnesses and stakeholders are involved and neither ED nor the defense wants the order to be passed in favor of the other. However, it is not possible to go through these thousands of pages of the documents at this juncture, but this is the duty of the court to work upon the matter, whichever comes for consideration, and pass the order in accordance with the law. This is in fact what the ASG also has argued in the Delhi High Court. He said that he wasn't given more time, and he also said that the court did not go through the voluminous documents that were presented. So that point being highlighted by Amit Malviya now, in a way also responding back to our.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with that, Swati. So that's a response that has come in from the BJP. Amit Malviya highlighting the portion of the order where it says it's not possible to go through these thousands of pages of the documents at this juncture. Priyank, the BJP is saying if there was no time and the court did not have the time to go through thousands of pages of documents, then what was the hurry to give bail to Kejriwal? Going on to say, we can't normalize corruption in high public offices by letting off criminals like Kejriwal.
Certainly, the Bharatiya Janata Party has come up with a counter-claim on the allegations which were put in by Aam Aadmi Party, because since yesterday, everything, the statement of the Aam Aadmi Party is pointing towards the conspiracy, the alleged conspiracy which was had by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So it was quite obvious that the BJP would have also come out and given their set of explanation. Now he's talking about the legal terminology and the legal references in this particular case. It is a fact that the High Court has taken up the matter. It was an urgent hearing appeal which was moved by the Enforcement Directorate, which has been taken by the High Court. So the High Court is certainly the one authority which will decide that whether the granting of the bail at this stage to Arvind Kejriwal will be an important thing or not. But if you look at this sequence of incident, Pratibha, it is certainly unprecedented, where the vacation bench and the Sessions Court, which is in the vacation, could have heard this kind of sensitive bail matter, which could have also resulted into getting bail to other accused also. Because if Arvind Kejriwal comes out on bail, then taking reference of the case, because all of them have been booked under the same FIR, multiple accused who are right now behind the Tihar jail can also get bail. So this will also have a larger implication on the claim by Enforcement Directorate that these are the influential people, they can tamper with the evidence. So all these pointers will be heard by the High Court. The part of it has been already heard, but what we are expecting that at least 1.5 hours of more hearing is expected to continue in the case, because two of the senior lawyers appearing from prosecution and the defense side are yet to argue. ASG is certainly arguing, then it will be return of Abhishek Manu Singhvi, then Advocate Chaudhary, then finally the outcome of this hearing will come up.
Okay, all right. Priyank, stay with us. Let's also play out political reactions that have been coming in. Aam Aadmi Party on one hand claiming vindication. The BJP, though, continuing to raise questions. The BJP has in fact hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party. The BJP MP Manoj Tiwari claimed that the entire matter is still in court, and the Aam Aadmi Party seems to be abusing the process, calling the Aam Aadmi Party leaders a group of fools. Manoj Tiwari saying that they don't understand the constitution. Listen in.
सर, जिस प्रकार से अरविंद केजरीवाल की बेल को लेकर कल ऑर्डर आया कोर्ट के द्वारा, उसके बाद से आम आदमी पार्टी एक तरह से कह रही है कि सत्यमेव जयते, सत्य की जीत हुई है। बीजेपी ने बहुत कोशिश की, एजेंसियों का इस्तेमाल किया, लेकिन आखिरकार जो है न्याय मिला है अरविंद केजरीवाल को। ईडी हाई कोर्ट में गई है, हाई कोर्ट में मामला जाएगा। हाई कोर्ट ने यह कहा है कि जब तक उनकी तरफ से कोई फैसला नहीं आता, स्टे रखा जाए लोअर कोर्ट का जो ऑर्डर है। कैसे देखते पूरे मुद्दे को जो आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है?
ये पूरा मामला कोर्ट से जुड़ा हुआ है, जिस कोर्ट को भी आम आदमी पार्टी गाली देती है। पीछे जब इन लोगों को बेल नहीं मिला, इनके प्रूफ इतने चिल्ला चिल्ला कर इनके गुनाहगार होने की गवाही दे रहे हैं, तो कोर्ट ने बेल नहीं दिया। लेकिन बीच में किसी को बेल दिया भी, संजय सिंह को। तो हम तो कोर्ट को नहीं दोषी ठहराते। ये कौन से लोग हैं, अराजक लोग, संविधान को नहीं मानने वाले लोग, लोकतंत्र में विश्वास नहीं करने वाले लोग। ये जो अरविंद केजरीवाल गैंग है, इनको ये तो मुझे इनके जो शीर्ष लोग हैं, ये मूर्खों का भी एक पूरा जमावड़ा है। ये कैसे मूर्ख लोग आ गए हैं, शर्म नहीं आती इन लोगों को।